Good morning, students. Me, Sambhu Kumar Yadav from Mithila Boarding School. Today, we are going to start online classes from Mithila Boarding School, which is located in Janakpur, Rajoul, in front of Durga Mandir. And our classes is for class 8 and 10. It is the combined classes. Today I am going to start the chapter pressure, which is useful for both class 8 and class 10. So now I am going to discuss about pressure. First of all, I would like to teach you thrust. What is thrust? Thrust means the perpendicular force exerted by a body on the surface. It is the perpendicular force that is exerted on a body. It is called the thrust, and the thrust is also known as force. It is the perpendicularly force which is acted on the surface, that is called the thrust. And we know the effects of thrust depends upon the following factors. What are the factors that thrust depends on? The factors is the surface area on which the thrust is applied, and another is force applied. Where is force applied? And the surface area on which the thrust is applied. These two factors affects the thrust. Now, the unit of thrust. What are the unit of thrust? The unit of thrust, first of all, I am going to tell you the SI unit. The SI unit is Newton, which is denoted by capital N, and the CGS unit is dyne. CGS unit is dyne. Thrust is a vector quantity. And now pressure. Pressure is defined as the thrust per unit area on the surface. Pressure is defined as the thrust which is acted per unit area on the surface. Mathematically, we can write pressure is equal to thrust by area. Pressure equal to thrust by area. You can write P is equal to F by A. The SI unit of pressure is Newton per meter square. It means yes, the SI unit of force is Newton and area is meter square. Since you can write the SI unit of pressure is Newton per meter square, and we can also say that the SI unit of pressure is Pascal. Another unit is mmF Hg. So the SI unit of pressure is Newton per meter square, Pascal, mmF, mm of Hg, etc. These are the units of pressure. Similarly, the CGS unit of pressure is dyne per centimeter square. You can How can you write the dyne per centimeter square? We have discussed about pressure is equal to force by area, and we have already discussed about the CGS unit of force. The CGS unit of force is dyne, and the CGS unit of area is centimeter square. Thus, you can write dyne per centimeter square. It is a scalar quantity. Pressure is a scalar quantity. Now, you have to differentiate between force and pressure. How can you differentiate between force and pressure? Here is written. Let's start about the difference between the force and the pressure. Force, it is the pull or push in a body. Similarly, you can say the pull or push in a body is called the force, and the pressure is the thrust acting per unit area, which we have already discussed about here. Pressure is the thrust acting per unit area, and force, it is the pull or push in a body. Similarly, its SI unit. We have already discussed about the SI unit of the force. The SI unit of force is Newton. Similarly, the SI unit of pressure is Newton per meter square or Pascal. And it is a vector quantity. Force is a vector quantity and pressure is a scalar quantity. Thus, we can differentiate easily between force and pressure after completion of the thrust and pressure. Thank you.